G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one. And today's video, I figured I'd do a tutorial on the base that I like to give my zombie. Purely and simply because tomorrow I will be doing the zombie bite wound tutorial. So I figured I'd give you a little bit of a heads up as to what I usually put underneath my zombie makeup first. Or show you, the first few steps of how to become a zombie. But okay, so I've just put moisturizer on my face. It's a good idea because my makeup, I usually leave it on for a good few hours, but I'm using, for my foundation today, I'm using the W2 Ivory from Nude by Nature. First time I've ever used this, so you're kind of getting my reaction to that as well, but I've got my Beauty Blender, brand new one, because the other one's covered in bruise makeup. But this was, the reason I went with this color is not whether or not it goes with my skin, it was the palest color I could find, because you're undead when you're a zombie. And I also wanted to use it for my porcelain doll look, and again, really, really pale. So here goes nothing. I also admittedly don't know what all the different things stand for in the, like the W2 and all that sort of thing. I don't actually know what I'm on about. Just give me, like, it said ivory, so I was like, yeah, okay, ivory works. And it's really funny because I say this is like the palest shade that they have, and it's almost my exact skin tone. Now, with zombie makeup, your foundation base doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Because again, you are literally the living dead, all right? You're gonna look a bit funky. This feels nice and cool on my skin though. That might just be the water that I used for the Beauty Blender first, but it does feel nice. So when you're doing this, you want to get it at least to cover most of your face. And I'm sorry if this goes all glary again, but bathroom troubles and lighting not being perfect. And you can see I'm putting it on my lips. You do want to actually get it on your lips. Just because, you're either going to put makeup over the top of that or you're going to leave them pale. Because, well, I mean, I haven't actually seen a dead person in real life. Don't their lips go white or something like that? Or, I don't know. Can't remember what I'm thinking of. And there'll be a lot of people out there that are saying, no, you're putting this on wrong. This is just how I do it for my zombie looks. And I'm not minding that it's not completely, the coverage isn't done properly. You'll notice I don't really have eyebrows either because I couldn't be bothered. Because again, zombie is not the neatest look. If I wanted to spend more time on this, I'd even it out. But again, zombie, it's not gonna be even. It doesn't have to be. And I'm gonna cover this with other stuff as well anyway. Okay, so that is my foundation done. Again, I know it looks real weird and stupid, but it's meant, like, I'm literally turning myself into a dead creature, okay? But yeah, not bad, Nude by Nature. It would take a little bit more effort for me to smooth it out, but yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go onto my eyes next. I have my BYS FX Bruise Color Wheel. The eyes I find are the easiest thing to do for a zombie because basically all I'm doing is using the purple and the blue to make my eyes look more sunken in than what they already do look because I have circles under my eyes, but yeah. So I've got my other Beauty Blender. And this does not have to be perfect straight away. This is just the base that you're doing. Attractive, I know. It looks fantastic. So the kind of zombie that I do is kind of like a cross between... What I'm going for, if you've ever seen the movie Pride, Prejudice and Zombies, it is a funny ass movie. Go watch it. The zombies that they have is what I'm trying to base this off of. That's where I take my inspiration from for zombie makeup, but just because I love that movie so much. It was like, Pride and Prejudice was already one of my favorite movies, but I really love action movies and everything like that. And they put zombies in it, and I was like, yes. Yes. And remember, none of this has to be absolutely perfect because, like, you're turning yourself into a zombie. Like, right now, I don't look anything like a zombie. I just look like a weirdo. A lot of people would turn around and say, Alexis, you look normal. But I'm going to put the yellow over the top a little bit just to soften it a bit and make it look a little bit more realistic, like I've got sunken in eyes. Now, I tend to use this bruise wheel a lot when I'm doing a zombie look, mainly because it, like, I do my entire face and I do my entire body, and I end up putting bruises and random things everywhere, all over the place. But what I might do is, I think I've put that a little bit too far down, so I'm just gonna take my foundation again and I'm gonna just lessen it a little bit. Ooh, okay. That looks pretty cool. Very, very sunken in, and I'm kind of sad I don't have eyebrows right now, but nah, whatever. Okay, so this is like very, very basic what I would do for a zombie look. So this is the start of it. Now, more often than not, I'll put a few bruises down here and that sort of thing, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just sticking to the very basics. What I do like to do is take my cuts and scratches and go right ahead and put a whole heap of the black around my mouth. Just to make myself look like I've been eating someone or something. And then I just, well, wipe it on my shirt because I need to take another color. And then I get the burgundy. And we go with that. Over the top. I have too much fun with this. I really shouldn't be like this. But that is a very, very basic zombie base. I might just, last little bit that I'm gonna do before I wish I could go out like this. I usually take the green from the bruise wheel and I just kind of add green literally everywhere. I might even turn it this way because it just adds a different hue to your skin tone. I'm all like, it's got the pale in there already, but oh my god, I love this. I love this so much. And it's, again, it's probably not a good thing that I'm that into this, but oh well. But yeah, you just go over it with the bruise colors. You're emphasizing that dead look. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You're a zombie, for crying out loud. Oh my gosh. The lighting on my mirror, the lighting in here from my mirror is different to the lighting in front of me that I'm looking at for you guys. I forget just how weird this looks. Alright, and I'm gonna go back over with the yellow just to go extra bruisey. This is, I love this. I love it so much. It just, I am not the kind of girl who is very good at girly, pretty princess makeup, but give me fake blood and zombies any day of the week and I will be happy. Oh my god. I think I might have gone a bit overboard. But I tell you who I look like. I look like fucking Beetlejuice. That's what it is. I was like, wait, I'm looking like somebody else. I'm not looking like a zombie. What do I look like? I look like Beetlejuice. But yeah, no, that's the basis of it. And if I'm gonna be real honest, I just want to do this because I can. Oh god, I got it in my mouth. Gross. I've been eating people. Ta-da! I am a zombie, woohoo! Yeah, that's the base I would do for a zombie, and my zombie look that I did for Halloween last year, I had the claw marks here, and I had like a cut lip here, and then I had a bullet wound up here. But this is the base that I do. I would go way further down my neck and everything because I had a V-neck ripped up shirt on, so I had bruises and everything all down here, and then like all over my hands and all over my legs, and it was just, oh, it was so much fun. But this is as easy as it is. It's when it comes to makeup like this, it's all about the blending. And if you can get yourself a beauty blender or a sponge and you can manage to blend the living daylights out of this makeup, then you're golden. But that's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see more of this. Believe in yourself and be you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys. I think I might go through drive-thru now and scare the ever-loving shit out of drive-thru workers.